A short story. Who is happy? This story teaches us to not to let go of our happiness by comparing ourselves by someone else. Once a crow looked at the sun and thought how beautiful the sun is. She had all white feathers. The crow was black. The crow expressed to the sun. The crow expressed his thought to the sun. The sun replied that according to her, the parrot is the most beautiful bird as it has two colors and the sun had just one. Next, the crow approached the parrot, who simply said that peacock is the most beautiful than him, that it is multicolored. When the crow expressed his thought to the peacock replied, "My dear crow, you lucky bird on this planet, as you are never caged. Because of my beauty, I am trapped in the cage and you are free." On hearing this, the crow thought how foolish he had been and thanked God for making him the he was. Moral: never compare yourself to others. Be happy in what you are and what you have.